So I'll walk you through my UI/UX case study. So my app is called an Uplift. So why I chose this app was that when I was in college, I used to work for an NGO. I volunteered for 1.5 years. So there I saw that there is no structured manner of there was no structured management in that NGO. They were not using any app to communicate with the volunteers.
I'm Jeffrey. I'm from Shumaga. Now I will walk through my case study. I'm going to present my UI/UX case study called Free. It is a business to consumer based application. Why I choose this app means one of my cousins' home, everyday food is going to waste, and my home as well. I want a solution for this, so I choose this app.
Hariprasad. I'm from Dharmaburi. I'm talking about this project case studies even that, which is about the always any users can any difficult means we can make by event planning is more difficult. For that they will touch anything other agents some anything. For that I created this thing. Because it is the user-friendly app and it is able to manage by any users, not only the event organizers. We can any users can easily can.
My name is from Chamarajanagar, Karnataka. So I chose to hear this app for helping hearing impairment people who face difficulties in their daily lives. About this project focus on designing an inclusive recording and map for people. The problem statement is people with hearing impairment face difficulties in their daily lives and hard to use navigation apps because recording and understanding conversation are easy.
Myself, Santa Lakshmi. I'm from Bangalore. So my project is regarding eco-friendly, sustainable product fashion, and I chose this project once myself and my friend was talking about shopping online. She picked one random trendy T-shirt. So I asked, do you know how much?
In Aspira, I have learned UI/UX from the scratch till the end.
You can join Aspira University. It is a good university. Thank you.
I'm very thankful to Aspira.